Hello, Leah.
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing?
Getting ready to jump out of the plane.
No way.
Yes way.
Shut the front door. Get out. Your first time, I'll bet you're excited.
I'm scared shitless.
You know what? Don't worry. That is totally normal. Everybody's nervous or scared. We have lots of great instructors here. As long as you're not with Aaron, you'll be okay.
And you already know I'm going with Aaron.
You should probably forget I said that then. What do you think it's going to be like?
What do I think it's going to be like?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just hope I don't urinate on Aaron or anything.
I hope you don't urinate on me too.
He usually pays a lot of money on the internet for that. Anyway, good luck.
Thank you.
Have fun and we'll see you up there, okay?
Thank you.
Leah, we're almost there. How you doing? In a couple minutes, we'll be in free fall, 120 miles an hour, 2.5 miles up. Does that scare you? I was talking to Aaron.
Me too.
That makes 3 of us now. All right, well, good luck.
Thank you.
Have fun, and I'll see you outside.
Okay.
Well, Leah, what'd you think?
It wasn't as bad as I thought. But
Would you do it again?
Probably.
Even with Aaron?
Even with Aaron.
Shut up. All right. Congratulations. Nice cut of you too. Thanks for letting me join you.